What's up, guys? So yes, it took a quarantine for me to come back. Ain't that some shit? But I'm here. So we're gonna get right into this. This is the look I promised you guys on Instagram. If you're not following me, make sure you follow me on Instagram, girl, because I'm there all the time. So I'm just using my Urban Decay BrowBox. This is a basic palette with black, gray, and like a wax for your eyebrows. I really love this, and I found this at my local TJ Maxx on sale. So this is really, really good. Next, we're going to go in with our Fawn concealer by LA Girl and our Juvias place. But you're going to hold on to the Juvias place because we're going to use this color for something different for our eyes. We're not going to use Juvias place to actually arch our eyebrows, as you can see. We're going to line our eyebrows with the Fawn because I like a natural look under my eyebrows. You know me from day one. I don't like SpongeBob SquarePants eyebrows. So we're not going to use that. We're going to use a tone that's just a slightly shade lighter than my skin.
Then they feel me, killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her.
So once we put our Fawn on, we're gonna go ahead and just blend that out a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to get rid of the harsh lines a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to take our Juvias place and we're going to put that on our lid. This is going to act as our initial base because we want our colors to pop a little bit more than usual. So I love using this as my initial base. Although it does crease a little bit, it gets the job done. Next, we're going to take a box of crayons. Hey Supergirl, I love this palette, and we're going to use brown. I absolutely love this as my transition color for my crease because I don't have a lot of eye space, so I kind of got to open my eyes up myself with my colors. So this is really good for transitioning any type of look you're trying to do. So after this, we're going to take this blue color from the crayon case and we're going to put that in our actual crease area. Now, I know I said crease twice, but y'all know I ain't no makeup artist, so I just call everything the same thing. So we're going to deepen our crease with this blue color, and this is going to really give us that smoky effect we're going for with this look. So just take that blue with a smaller brush and just put it in the crease area, almost slightly under the first color that you added to your eyes. That's the best way I can explain this.
Bad man, I mean, they run town. Then I tell my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I mean, they run town. One time.
Okay, so once you add this, just make sure it's nice and blue. You want to pile it on, not too much, rub it together. Then we're going to go back into that brown, and we're just going to go on top of that blue where the brown meets, and you just want to blend that out. Just a little bit so it can start looking a little smoky, a little more blended. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to add a third color later on. Okay, so for our third color, it's going to be our brown bone color, which is going to be tan from the crayon case. And we're going to put that at the top. And I just like doing this because it really blends it out and gives it a softer look at the top. So it looks really good at the end because it just gives it a softer look. It takes away that harsh line that you see that we created with that brown color, and it kind of just blends it out a little bit better. So let me tell y'all something. This P. Louise, P. Lois, whoever this is, this Rumor 2 primer, honey, it is life. Buy it. Don't ask no questions. Go buy it right now. Tell them I sent you. No, this is not a review. I'm telling you, I am a paid customer. I love this primer. It is everything. It will make anything pop. I'm going to apply that right on my lid area, right under that blue color. So everything's about layering. The best way I can tell you to do this is just make sure that you can still see the last color that you applied. Just slightly, a little bit. As long as you can see the last color you applied, you should be fine. As you can see, you can still see the brown, you can still see the blue. And now you see I'm adding this eyeshadow primer and you can still see the blue. So our next color, which is going to be teal, you should be able to see that on top of the blue color. And we're just going to add that right on our lid. Now, as far as adding colors to your lid, the best way I can describe it is to make sure everything that's white is colored with something. So as you can see, the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to add this teal. So then the next color will be a darker color, and we want to make sure everything white is covered with a color.
I want to meet you.
So for our outer color, we're going to use this blue color from the Juvias Place Masquerade palette. And again, make sure you're covering everything that's white. And this is going to give us that great transitioning fade effect. And then we're going to add one more color to complete the eye color look on our lid before we add the black.
From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling.
Alright, so we're going to take a darker blue. And this is the same blue we used initially. And we're going to put that on the outer corner of our eye. As you can see, everything is starting to blend together really good. It's a very soft blend. Not too harsh. We don't want anything looking cut the crease-y. These want to look very blended, soft, and smoky. So now we're going to add some depth to our outer corner with this black from the crayon case. And we just want to put that right in our outer corner, as you can see.
Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man, na me, they run town. One time, say she no one waste time.
So instead of using the whole tape technique, I just take a makeup wipe and just clean up my eyes a little bit. And it also helps me shape it too to my eye shades with the eyeshadow. So I'm using Maybelline Infallible Foundation. It's not my favorite. It's a little too orange, but hey, this is just a tutorial, girl. And we on lockdown, so this is what y'all gonna get. Y'all gonna talk about me bad later, but that's all I got for y'all. Go back in with this Fawn by LA Girl, and we're gonna use this to highlight everything.
I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on you. Love the way you want, girl, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it.
So once you blend all that out, I'm going to add my under eye powder. And this is by HUDA Beauty. I absolutely love this powder. The undertone of this powder is really good for dark skin. It doesn't give me that ugly ghost effect. But I also never bake my face like most people do because I feel like it's just unnecessary for me. I don't like baking. So I'll just apply that in those areas where I applied the concealer at. Let it sit for maybe 2 seconds and then I'll wipe it right off.
It's the original Batman. One time, it's a bad man thing.
Y'all, my new love has been this Fenty powder. Oh my god, Mocha Mami is every dark skinned girl's bronzer dream, honey. You see that color? It is everything. I love this powder. So I just put that as a little contour. I don't really do much with contouring because I feel like I don't know how to blend that shit out. So I just apply what I can and blend what I can, and I just put it on my cheeks, some on my nose, and I call it that. And I'm still obsessed with matte skin finish, y'all. I love it. I can't get rid of it. It's my favorite go-to all of these years. Ever since high school, I just love what it does to my face. So we're going to add some eyeliner. I'm not the best at eyeliner, so I don't really go overboard with it. But all these years, y'all been asking me, yes, years, what eyeliner have I been using? It's always been Sephora brand. They have some of the best eyeliners ever. They're very affordable. They don't run. They're waterproof. And I absolutely love them. So every video, every picture on my Instagram, I have on the Sephora brand eyeliner. We're going to go back into that teal color from earlier. And we're just going to put that under our eyes to complete this smoky look.
Got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. So I'm gonna add some lashes. These are some ghetto ass, ugly ass lashes, y'all. They look like bat wings. I highly do not recommend these lashes, but this is all I had. So we're gonna roll with it. Hurricane, yeah. I want to girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean the run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down.
As you can see, everything is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna take some highlight. This is the Mariah Carey collection from MAC and put that on our cheeks, and we are done, honey. Yes, bitch, you did it. You are done. Oh, I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all. I have 2 pages. I have a business page. Yes, a lot has changed, and I have my main page. So make sure you check me out. Let me know if you want to see any more looks while we on lockdown, honey. See y'all later.
I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.